Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a garage or workshop and you have a need for dust collection, I want to show you the ultimate dust collector. This is the Festool 36E HEPA dust extractor, and it is awesome. It has been a huge upgrade in our workshop. It's a professional and high-powered machine, but small enough for any workspace. We love to use this with our random orbital sanders, and it is awesome how dust-free this makes your space. It really makes a huge difference. This machine is just very thoughtfully designed as well. It has this hose storage garage, which keeps everything really neat and tidy. It is compatible with Systainers for stacking your tools and all of your different attachments, which is a nice touch to keep you organized. And it also has a super long cord, which allows you to use it in a large space. And also it has a really nice cord wrap on it. So that again, just keeps you organized. Really nice durable wheels that move super freely. This thing can just spin around. And we have found that it really maintains its suction well, and it has a high capacity for dust. So the bags that fit inside this are huge, and they do a really great job of keeping the dust in, and you can see that they are very simple to get to and to be able to change it out. There's even a little brake on it to keep it in place for you while you're working. So this thing does it all. It is pretty amazing. We really, really love this, and it has been a major upgrade to our workshop, and that's my point of view.